Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to show you how to solve keyboard auto pressing problem in your computer. So, let me show you. In the Google, search for keyboard checker. Click on keyboard checker. If you notice, D is auto pressing automatically in my computer. So, I am going to disable this key using a software called KeyTweak, which is a free software to disable any key. Let me download it. KeyTweak download. Now click on free download. Click here. It is downloading. I am going to save this file with KeyTweak install. So click on save. Download is completed. Let me show it in folder. Show in folder. So now double click on it. Click on I agree to install this. Then click on install. Okay. Close it and let me show you how to disable a key. So open our KeyTweak software. And here now I'm going to disable a key which is auto pressing automatically. So I'm going to disable D here. So click on it and just click on disable key. Then click on apply. After you click on apply, your computer will get restart. Then your computer will works properly. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe and share.